Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for all your love, support and your subscriptions. I really appreciate your blessings on me. Keep spreading the good vibes, keep spreading the love. This is your angel message or your spirit guides or your ancestors that you believe in who come here to help you, to guide you, to bless you. It's a special reading and it's a message from them. So that's the message that I have for you. So I'm going to pull cards here from the angelic answers to see what's the message for you. Okay, if you do enjoy such kind of content and reading, please do comment, subscribe, like and share and hit the notification icon. These all are free of cost. This will really help my channel increase and grow, and it just helps me. It really helps me. Okay, so first of all, wow, I'll directly dive into this message. Okay, it says anyone and everyone who is going through a lot of situational issue at this point in time, things that's not looking good, things that's not working out well for you. First of all, you really need to remain positive. Okay, so please remain positive, because on it's a very simple saying, there is light always at the end of the tunnel, right? And if at all the direction that you have chosen is not working out right for you, then choose a new direction, because there are always choices. The universe is big. You can manifest what you want to. You want to be a millionaire, start manifesting to be a millionaire, but don't doubt it. Go full on it. Do not doubt, okay? Because at the end of the day, the success is yours. So whoever's watching this, you are definitely going to be successful. Just do not stop. Don't doubt. Do not get into that mode of doubt, and do not get into a situation where you are going to go back in your old habits that's not serving you right, and you're going to be negative about it. Okay, I know we all say that we cannot be positive 24/7 because we are human and da 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 da. Yes, I understand that, but it's a state of mind, right? Happiness is a state of mind, being sad is a state of mind. So if at all you are called upon from your angels, your spirit guides, and this is a very strong message that you're getting to remain positive, you have to choose a direction that's going to help you remain positive and be successful in what you're looking for. Okay, so please do that. In terms of tarot, let me use this one for you, since these are all angelic, these are the fairy tarots. I'm going to use that for you. Okay, so wow, in terms of tarot, we've got number 12 and number 13. Just look at this. Okay, and 3 of winter. I'm going to explain this to you. All right, so it's a progressive. You have to change the way you're looking at. See, it's resonating again with what I'm saying. Okay, you have to change the way you're looking at situations if it's not working out right for you. Embrace your uniqueness, right? Look at the positive side, and a lot of you may be feeling stuck at this point in time. A lot of you could be dealing with third party situations. A lot of you could be dealing either in relationship or at work. You're feeling a little heartbroken. You're feeling that things are not going right. You're feeling that cold in your bones. Do not worry about that, because things will go right. All you have to do is remain positive and do not stop. You got to release, you got to let go of past issues that's not serving you right. You have to make endings for a new beginning. There has to be a metamorphosis, there has to be a transformation in your life. You have to learn to move on. You have to learn how to move on. It's a very strong message that your angels are saying. Okay, let's see what's happening here with the power of love. Okay, it says individuality. You leave your unique stamp of love on everything you do. So you already have that in you, where you are an individual person. You have like this creativity and this quality in you. You just do not know how to bring that up. So a lot of you who think that you do not know, it's in your heart, in your mind, in your intuition how to get that up. the overall message that I receive here through this angel guidance and through the spirit guidance is that a lot of you need to get out of this mode of negativity and get into the positive mode, because success in whatever you do, whatever you want to do, is yours. You do not have to stop. You got to remain positive, and you need to choose a new direction if things are not serving you right. Okay, please do that. Let's see who's going to be your spirit guide for this month of July 2021. That's going to help you, guide you. We have light activation. See, again, it's all about shining your light. You have Sanat Kumara. You can Google Sanat Kumara. It's like he's a very positive, luminous, and your internal guidance is coming through loud and clear. So you need to be guided from your internal self. The power, the tools, the light is all within you. Okay, so manifest what you want, what you set your eyes desire, and manifest and release negativity, that release all the tensions, negativity that's not serving you right. Move on and let go. So I hope you've enjoyed this angelic reading for you, today, my friends. And if you have, please comment, share, like, and subscribe, and connect with me on contact.luminousguide@gmail.com or Perera Sherry at yahoo.co.in to book a new reading. Okay, goodbye and stay blessed.